Hi, tenor saxophones. Welcome back. Today's video is all about Accent Book 2, page number 4. This is the third of our Accent on Review pages. In the upper left-hand corner of today's page, we have the review for the notes A, G, F, and E. In the upper right-hand part of today's page is the single eighth note and single eighth rest sign. Those each receive a half of a beat of sound or silence in 2/4, 3/4, or 4/4 time. The dotted quarter note is an interesting note. It's 1½ beats. That means it's longer than a quarter note, but shorter than a half. It's equal to 3 eighth notes tied together. A multiple measure rest is where we have multiple measures or more than one measures of rest all combined, concentrated together in one space. We often put the number of measures above the bracket for the multiple measure rest. So if you see 2, that's 2 measures of rest. The syncopation pattern eighth dotted quarter is up next, and we'll get practice using that rhythm pattern, T-ta, down in number 11, Billy Boy. When you play staccato, you play that note short, bouncy, kind of detached, like you were plucking a string with your finger. Today's tempo marking is vivace, which means very fast. We won't play anything vivace today because we're working on building our tone and technique. Today, dynamic markings mezzo, mezzo forte, medium loud, mezzo piano, medium soft. Let's jump in and start playing with number 9, the duet. It's called Barcarolle from the Tales of Hoffmann. I'll start by playing part A. You can join me or play part B for an instant duet. This piece is in 3/4 time, and it has a B flat in the key signature. So all Bs are flat. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Part B has a multiple measure rest. Make sure you play it and the first and second endings. Here's part B. You can join me or play part A for an instant duet. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 2, 2, 3. And now you can have multiple measure duets for as long as 8 or 16. Make sure that you always count in the same time signature. So let's move on to number 10, Deck the Halls. This is a traditional carol. It's marked vivace, but we'll keep our tempo kind of moderato. And it has no sharps or flats in the key signature. So when you can, play F natural. It does have a repeat sign at the end of the 4th measure. So play measure 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, before moving on to measure 5 and to the end of the piece. I hope you enjoy playing this one. Let's do it. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, one sure is a lot of fun to play. If you would like to, rewind the video and play it again for some more practice. Our final piece today is Billy Boy, number 11, and it's an American folk song in 2/4 time with a pickup. So to start this one out, I'll count it like this. 1 and 2 and play. Bum, 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 ba. So 1 and 2 and play is the setup. We also have the 8th dotted quarter rhythm in this one at the end of line 1 and line 2. We're going to count that ti-ta, or 1 and 2 and, just like that. Join me. Billy Boy, no sharps. 1 and 2 and play. Let's play it again. 1 and 2 and play. And that's Accent Book 2, page number 4. Now, I hope this video is helpful and that you'll use it again if you need to. Just go back to the place where you want to review and start from there. Or go back to the beginning and play it all again. This video is short, after all, to help you get the most out of your practice. So, until I see you next time, keep practicing.